Good morning everyone. I am Harshit Pargaokar. I am studying in 10th standard and today I am going to talking about the pollination. First of all, we will see the parts of pollination, parts of flowers. The first, there are two types of parts. First, main parts of flower. Uh, First, the male parts of flower are called as stamens, and uh, they include anther and filament, and where the pollen is produced. Second, the female parts of flower is called as carpels, where the pollen ends up and fertilization occurs. Uh, the the parts of carpels are style, stigma, and ovary, and rep- repticle sepals. Repticle sepals attracts pollinating insects and protect from essential organs. Pedicles pedicle connects of the flower from each of the other body. Uh, the ovary the ovary is the fertilizer where the fertilization occurs and producing seeds. Uh, what is pollination? Then we will see the pollination. What is pollination? The pollination that pollen grains transfer from anther to stigma. It is called pollination. There are two types of pollination: cross pollination and self pollination. Cross pollination is pollen grains transferred from one flower to another flower of another plant of same species is called as cross pollination. Self pollination, where the pollen grains transfer from one flower to another flower of same plant is called as self pollination. There is a diagram of pollination where the pollen grains transfer from anther to stigma. This is the diagram of self pollination and cross pollination. Process of pollination. The process of pollination, when the pollen grains transfer from anther to stigma, pollen grains join the stigma and stigma becomes sticky. And when the pollen grains fall upon a sticky stigma, it starts germinating. The pollen, when the pollen reaches the stigma, the pollen tube starts developing in the style and goes to the ovary and carrying with two male gametes. The first male gamete unites with the egg cell in the ovary and form zygote. The second male gamete unites with polar nuclear and endosperm is formed. There are two pollinated flowers. First, insect pollinated flower and vine pollinated flower. First, insect pollinated flower. Flowers that have several strategies to attract birds, bats, butterflies, small mammals, and bees. The flowers that have brightly colored petals, strong scent, and nectarine to attract them. Then the insect visit in the flower and the pollens are stick on his body, and then the insect goes to the another flower and the pollen grains lands on the other flower of stigma. Uh, From pollination. The the pollen that has produced in insect pollinated flowers are pollinated flowers. They are sticky and spiky. They become easily to stick on the bodies of insect. Uh, we can see the diagram of pollens that's on the body of bees. Second, vine pollinated flower. Vine pollinated flowers are large number of pollen that occurs properly. The stamens are generally long and protrude out the flower. Pollen grains are lightweighted that easily carries with the wind, and vine pollinated flower does not possess scent or nectar. We can see the diagram of vine pollinated flowers.